There was a period in my life when I believed I was acting correctly in all aspects. I served my country, worked diligently, and followed the rules. But financially, I was stuck. Every payday, I felt like I was making progress, only to find myself regressing further. If you've ever been there, watching your paycheck disappear faster than your next duty rotation, you know that sinking feeling. For me, it got so serious that I started visiting payday loan offices off post. Not once, not twice. It was practically a routine. And each time I tell myself, I'll fix this next month. But deep down, I knew the problem wasn't my paycheck. It was that nobody ever taught me how to make money work for me. That all changed when I discovered something completely different, a system that combined two powerful things: AI automation and a platform called OfferLab. Now, before I explain how it all works, let me back up for a second. If you've ever heard of Russell Brunson, he's the guy behind ClickFunnels, one of the biggest online business platforms ever created. Over the last decade, he's helped thousands of entrepreneurs build multi-million dollar businesses online. But recently, he launched something new, something that's not just another software tool, but a movement, and it's called OfferLab. What truly amazed me is that OfferLab does not revolve around selling your own product. It's about collaboration. It's a marketplace where creators and affiliates work together. And when someone you refer makes a sale, you get paid for life. This isn't just a one-time commission, it's a lifetime commission. That's recurring, passive, forever. When I first heard that, I thought, okay, sounds excellent, but I'm not technical. I don't have a following. I don't know where to start. Maybe that's what you're thinking too, but that's where AI comes in, and this is where things get exciting. I started using AI tools like ChatGPT to write my emails, OpusClip to turn my videos into content, and simple automation software to handle my follow-ups. Within a week, I realized this is like having a digital assistant working 24/7 for me. It's not just faster, it's smarter. AI helps me create, post, and promote all while I sleep. So I built what I now call the AI Freedom System, a simple three-step plan that I teach other veterans and service members to follow. One, plug into OfferLab. It's free to join. Two, use AI to automate your marketing and content. Three, share your story online. And let the system do the heavy lifting. It's simple, it's duplicatable, and it works even if you've never made a dollar online before. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. This sounds wonderful, but what if I mess it up? That's exactly why I created the AI Freedom Bonus Bundle, just for veterans who join OfferLab through my link. Inside, you'll get my AI Freedom Bootcamp, where I walk you through building your first business in 7 days, the Mission Briefing Blueprint, which shows you how to make your first commission step by step, and my AI Funnel Starter Pack with all the templates I use to automate everything. I also give you access to my Battle Buddy network, a private community of veterans who are building their online businesses together. We hold each other accountable, celebrate wins, and keep the mission alive. Because just like in service, no one fights alone. Now, here's the deal: this isn't a get rich quick thing. This is about building something real, something sustainable. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert. If you can follow a checklist, you can do this. So if you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, or like you gave everything and still ended up behind financially, I get it. I've been there. But now I've seen what's possible when you combine military discipline with modern AI tools and the OfferLab platform. It's not just about making money, it's about building freedom. Go to the link below. Create your free OfferLab account, and I'll send you my full AI Freedom Bonus Bundle immediately. This is your next mission, but this time it's not about orders or deployment. It's about building a life that rewards your effort and pays you for the long term. And remember, freedom isn't something we only fight for, it's something we can build.